Hey everybody, welcome to Bobcat Turf Talks. I'm Dan Stibral, product training specialist for the Bobcat zero-turn mowers. Today we're going to be talking about some pre-season maintenance items to make sure your mower is ready to go for this cutting season. Let's start with the drive tires, making sure those are properly inflated to the correct PSI for your mower. Now let's talk about the deck. Make sure your deck is clean because a clean, smooth deck ensures proper grass dispersal and a great quality of cut. Now let's move to the back of the machine. Check your fuel filter because a clogged fuel filter can cause damage to that engine. Also, check your spark plugs because worn or damaged spark plugs can cause damage to that engine. And lastly, for more information, check the owner's manual located underneath the seat or contact your local dealer. Thanks for watching. For more information on Bobcat mowers, check out bobcat.com. Until next time.